Hi, Sadaf. I need you to resubmit your summary. Well, there are two reasons. One reason is this is the summary Dropbox, as you can see up here, says summarize one of those two articles, and you've dropped your introduction in here. This isn't a summary. But the other thing I just want to tell you is that you've got some plagiarism here, and you really need to be careful of that. The way you know is you go into your grades and you find these little tiles right here, and you click on them, and that's the Turnitin originality report. Tells me that there's some matching language with another published source, and so I go down like this and I see that these lines have been previously published, and so that's called plagiarism, and you can't do that. You have to always give credit to your sources, so you can't do that. So, but I guess I wonder if you accidentally put your summary into the introduction Dropbox. Anyway, you'll need to sort all that out and resubmit things. So if you could do that, that'd be great.